drop off the truck, have Holly and Xavier pick me up, and then we're gonna go on a canoe and float down the river. It's gonna be a lot of fun. All right, dropping off the truck. Here, record yourself.
Oh.
Talk to the camera.
Well, I don't know what to say. Here's Xavier.
Hi. We got canoe license. And this is a fun day. It is a great day for canoeing. But it's kind of hot. Anyway.
You're out on the river and it's your first time.
And we might have to bring my dad out. My dad is reading confidences. Pretty much. So,
Hi, love.
Okay, cool.
And then
this is the funnest day of my whole life.
and I passed it now.
So, there is a lot of people in here. But it's a very fun day. Boba, loba, boba, loba, loba. I think it's loba. I'm sorry, I dropped you. But anyways, here's my dad, Adam. Xavier, here is the outdoor.
He told him, give Daddy the camera back.
All right, we got some good footage, buddy.
Yeah. I unbuckled my seatbelt.
Your seatbelt. I know, I seen that.
How?
That you're not sitting in your seat.
Look.
It was like this. I was like, woo. All right, we got the canoe down. Yeah, what are we gonna go do?
Go canoeing.
Going canoeing.
Lazy man.
All right, baby.
Who's a lazy man?
That guy.
No.
Okay.
Xavier,
He's not in the car.
no idea where he got that from. We go over to the neighbor's property and we go down these. These are good steps. They're nice and solid. Doesn't seem like they're sketchy or anything. Gets a little sketchy right here. And there's the canoe.
Right.
We got the oars in there. Okay, good. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. All right. We got the boat in the water. Just waiting for the boy and the wife. Well, we made it on the boat. We're in the water. We haven't tipped over yet, so that's good. Right, Gigi? What do you think so far?
Sit in the middle.
Trying to get him used to the balancing act of a canoe.
Is it deep? I bet it's deep. Why there's rapids?
Is there more rapids up there?
Sounds like it.
Whoa. Whoa. Hi. How you doing?
Hi.
It's a perfect day for this, huh?
Yes, it is.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, we're just sitting on top of this. tell me when you see it.
Here, camera, look. The camera. It's a big leaf, right?
Big leaf. We have a bald eagle sighting. Whoa, look at how big that thing is. Is that awesome, Gigi?
Yeah.
We made a stop along the Allegheny River and we're eating some lunch. Even though it's like, what, 4 o'clock or so? Kind of a late lunch, but we're right by the boat dock here. The consensus is, there's the canoe, and that thing sucks. It sucks steering. I don't know what it is, what's wrong with it. It's a real flat bottom canoe, so that's maybe why it doesn't turn as well, probably. But in the river, it's different. This is way different. I'm from Minnesota. We have lakes. We don't have fast moving rivers. See that? See how fast that current is going? This is flying. Plus there's a wind coming. Yeah. Me and the wife have already had a knockout brawl. Of course she won.
We did not have a knockout brawl.
So we had a little tiff. Little tiff. Gigi, what do you think of that sandwich? Tell the camera.
Good. Good.
Below a bridge, actually. It's kind of cool. Nice little pull-off spot. Well, we finally made it home. And it was insane. What we didn't know about this canoe was that it's a flat bottom canoe on a river with moving water. If anybody knows anything about canoes, flat bottom on a moving river, not good. I had to paddle the whole way, and we would not stay in a straight line for long. So, lesson learned. We had a lot of fun. It was Xavier's first time being on the river and having a canoe, and oh my gosh, it was so tippy. Every little move that little boy made. A 4-year-old, keeping him stationary and exciting in a canoe. And it wasn't terrible as far as the experience went, but it was really difficult and challenging.